A very warm welcome to all of you to your maths online class. Now last what we did was our multiplication sums. Now mainly we have finished our final syllabus, but there are some more topics that we have already done in half yearly and in second unit test, but those topics are also going to come for your final exams. So today ma'am is going to teach you once again. I have taught you before also, but again I am going to teach you expanded form. So you all know how we stretch a rubber band, the same way we stretch the numbers. So suppose it is 100 tens and ones and I write 955. Okay. So the place value of 5 is ones, the place value of 5 here is tens, and the place value of 9 here is 100. So this will be 900 plus 50, that is 50, that is tens, and 5 ones, that is 5. You all have done this in your half yearly also. This is just a repetition of what you have done, because this topic is again going to come in your final exams. Now another example ma'am is going to give you 632. So 6 is in hundreds place, so we will write 600 plus 3 is in tens place, so we will write 30 plus 2 is in ones place, so we will only write 2. Alright. Now another example. 7 is in hundreds place, so we will write 700 plus 0 is in tens place. We can write single 0 also boys, or we can skip out the 0, but because we are learning in class 1, this is the basic that we are learning, expanded form. So to show the place value, we do write as 0, 0, that is tens place, and 5 is in ones. We can also write this like this, 700 plus 50. You can write this, but ma'am has not taught you to do like this. This you will learn when you go to class 2 and 3. But in class 1, you have to show the place value of your 0 also. Now another example. 5 is in hundreds place, so we will write 500 plus 2 is in tens place, so we will write 20, and 0 is in ones place, so we will write only 0. You can also write like this, 500 plus 20. You will, when you go to the senior classes, you will be taught like this. But now we have to show the place value of 0, so we have, ma'am has written 0 over here. Now, again the place value of 8 is, it comes under 100, so 800 plus 9 comes under tens, so it is in the tens place, so 90 plus 7 is in ones place, so we will write only 7. Have you understood this boys? This is very, very easy, because we have done expanded form in our half yearly also. This is just a revision, because we are going to start some topics that have been covered in the previous terms. We are going to cover those topics. Okay. So this is just a revision of what we have done, so that when ma'am gives you work, you are well versed how to do your work. Now again 604. So 6 is in hundreds place, so this is 600 plus 0 is in tens place, so this is 00, and 4 is in ones place, so we will only write 4 here. Alright students. Again 700 plus 10 and plus 2. because 7 is in hundreds place and 1 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. So don't make a mistake while you're doing this work. Again we will do this 950. So this is 900 plus 50 plus 0. Because 0 is in ones place, we have to show the place value of 0. So this is 647. Children, we will write 600 plus 40 plus 7. And boys, when you are doing your work, make sure that each number is in a separate box. Don't write two numbers in one box. Don't put your zeros also in one box. This plus sign should also be in a separate single box. And do your work very neatly how ma'am is doing it on the board. Each number, each sign in a different box. Again 532, that is 500 plus 30, because 30 is under tens and 2 is under 1. So that will be single 2. Alright. Then now this is 709. Now your 0 has come again here. So look very carefully what ma'am is doing. 700 you will write first. Then you write 0, that is you will show the place value of 0, that is tens place. And then you will write 9, that is in ones place. Now again 855. So your 800 plus 50 plus 5. Because your 800 is in hundreds place, 5 is in tens place and another 5 is in the ones place. Now what will we do? This is 700, but still we have to show the place value of 0 also. So we will write 700 plus 00 and plus 0, that is tens place and ones place. You must show the place value. We have to show this place value. Alright. Now this is 951. Again 900, hundreds place. 5 is in tens place, so 50. And plus 1 is in ones place, so we will write single 1 there. Now this is again 702. Again ma'am is showing you 700 plus 00 plus 2. So this is how you are going to do your expanded form. First we will do expanded form. Ma'am has taught you this again. You will do this work very neatly in your copies. Alright. Now in this ma'am is giving you expanded form exercise 1. Please write HTO before start copying your numbers. Okay, so I have given you only 6 to do. The first one is 785. So how you will write? 700 plus 80 plus 5. Then it is 640. So, how you will write 600 plus 40 plus 0, because we are showing the zeros place value also. Now, the another one, third one is 952. So, this will be 900 plus 50 plus 2. Now, the other one is 867. So, this will be 800 plus 60 plus 7. Now, this is 520. So, you will write 500 plus 20 and plus 0. The last one is 704. You will write 700 plus 00 plus 4. So, this is your exercise 1. Do your work very neatly. Alright boys, and all the best and stay safe.